Hey, Emily. How are you feeling today?
Not so great, Dad. I've been feeling a bit under the weather.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. What's bothering you?
I've had a headache all morning and I feel tired.
Did you get enough sleep last night?
I think so, but I still woke up feeling weak.
Maybe you're coming down with something.
Yeah, it feels like it. My body feels heavy.
Do you have any other symptoms?
Just a sore throat and a bit of dizziness.
Sounds like you might be catching a cold.
That's what I thought too.
I'll make you some warm tea. That might help.
Thanks, Dad. That sounds nice.
You know I'm always here to take care of you.
I appreciate that. It makes me feel better already.
Have you eaten anything today?
Just a little toast. I didn't have much appetite.
You need to eat something more nutritious.
I'll try, but I don't feel hungry.
I'll make you some soup. Easy to eat and good for you.
That would be perfect.
I remember when you were little, soup always helped you.
I know. You always made the best soup.
And I still do? You'll see.
I believe you.
Do you want to watch something together while you rest?
Yeah, maybe a light comedy.
Good idea. Laughter is good medicine.
That's true.
You need to take a break from schoolwork today.
I guess I can. I'm too tired to focus anyway.
Exactly. Rest is more important right now.
Thanks for understanding.
Always. Your health comes first.
You always say that, and I'm glad you mean it.
I do. I mean every word.
That's why you're the best, Dad.
And you're my favorite daughter.
I'm your only daughter.
All the more reason you're my favorite.
You're funny.
Just trying to make you smile.
It's working.
Good. Keep that smile even when you're not feeling great.
I'll try my best.
I'll check your temperature in a bit.
Okay, Dad.
If it's high, we might need to see the doctor.
I hope it's not.
Me too, but better safe than sorry.
True.
Do you want me to get you some vitamins?
That could help, yes.
All right, I'll bring them with the tea.
You're spoiling me today.
That's my job.
Well, you're doing it perfectly.
Thank you, Emily. That means a lot.
And thank you for always caring.
You're my daughter. I'll always care.
I'm lucky to have you.
I'm lucky to have you too,
Even when I'm sick?
especially when you're sick.
That's sweet.
Just the truth.
I think the tea is helping already.
See? Dad knows best.
You're going to say that all day, aren't you?
Absolutely.
I knew it.
Now finish your tea and rest.
Yes, Dad.
That's my girl.
You always say that too.
Because it's true.
I'm feeling a little better now.
That's great news.
Thanks to you.
And thanks to your own strength.
Maybe a bit of both.
I'll take that.
I think I might nap for a while.
Good idea. I'll be right here if you need me.
That makes me feel safe.
That's my goal.
You're the best dad in the world.
And you're the best daughter.
Deal.
Deal.
Perfect.
I'll be here with more tea.
Thanks, Dad.
Rest well, Emily. Love you.
Love you too.
You're looking a bit better already.
I'm glad you're here.
Let's keep you hydrated today.
I'll try to rest more. My throat still hurts so.
I'll bring you some water now. And later, we'll have more soup.
I'll drink more tea.
You're doing great resting. Don't worry about anything else today. I'll handle everything for you. You just focus on feeling better. If you need anything, call me. I'm just in the next room. You're my top priority right now. No work, no stress. Just comfort and care. I'll even make your favorite dessert when you're up for it.
That dessert sounds amazing. I'd like chocolate cake. Can we watch something new tonight?
We'll watch a movie tonight if you feel up to it.
I heard about a funny one on Netflix.
I'll choose something light and funny.
It might make me laugh. Laughter helps me feel better. I'll try to smile more.
You'll be back on your feet in no time. Until then, I'm right here.
I feel lucky today, even though I'm sick, because you're taking care of me, and I feel safe.
You can always count on me. I love being here for you. Always and forever.
I'm going to get some rest now. I'll call you if I need you. I know you're always there, and I appreciate that. I'm getting sleepy already. See you after my nap.